Hey, Dane here. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. And as continuation, we're having our vacation here in Massachusetts, currently in Rockport. I'm at what's called Back Beach, and we went to park, and I was having an issue with the ticket machine, and town police roll by and so you having problems? I say, yeah. So what I did is I asked, while he was helping me out, I asked him about, what the town ordinance was when it comes to flying drones, and he just says, don't go over your maximum height that you set out, like, of course 300 feet, and don't be flying over people's backyards and stuff like that. And he says usually we don't have a problem with it unless we get somebody calling us saying we have an issue. So other than that, they don't care. Just don't be stupid. I flew off the Bare Neck earlier, and it wanted me to sign in, and I couldn't remember my password, so I went ahead and flew anyway, and it restricts your height and distance if it happens. So I got thinking about it, and I brought it back, landed it, and then it asked me about my password again, so I punched in a password that I could think of, and it worked. So then it unrestricts you, and you can fly anywhere you want. So again, you're going to want to stay under your max altitude that you got set, distances, and just don't be stupid. So okay, we're gonna go fly Back Beach here real quick, and then we're gonna roll on to Rowley, catch up with my aunt, I hope. So and my folks, they happen to be here in the area too, so hopefully that transpires. All right, we'll see you in a few. All right, that flight was successful. It's about 17, 18 mile an hour winds out here. So keep in mind, I'm flying in that. So depending on how steady it is, I don't know till I edit it, but appears that she's pretty stable in 17 mile an hour winds. I had no problem landing precisionally either. But it's about 72 degrees out, and overcast, as you can kind of see. Let me flip. Let me see what's out here. Overcast, a little bit of straight, but other than that, perfect flight. I got no complaints. And we are down at Back Beach in Rockport, Massachusetts.